Yo, so you have a sunroof that won't drain well. For starters, this is a thing I really want to stress to all of you lovely viewers out there. Stop parking under trees. This is not helping your sunroof drain in the slightest. This is packed full of trash. This is after I already vacuumed off the cowling. So please be mindful of that. It is a kind of a problem. Thought I would share some of this dumb crap. This is sealer on an oil pan, and this is just gross. It's out there, it's in here. This is, I mean, this stuff just pulled right off. It didn't stick to the block. It's a terrible job, and I'm super annoyed with that. It really irritates me when people do such a crappy job at what they're supposed to do. So you can even see it got goopy up on the freaking plug, or on the bolt on this oil pump. Make sure nothing get trapped in the, well, there's a piece. Get that out too while we're here. That's not good. So yeah. Quick little update on what exactly I'm doing. This is the front crank seal housing. It's cracked up here because somebody changed the seal in the past and they broke it, but it meant they managed to get another seal, and then it ran for a bunch of years. But I did not want to do that, so I asked for a new one, and we got a new one. These are all torqued to 15 Newton meters. So you got sealer on it. I wiped it off on the surface where it's going to meet the oil pan, because I still got to clean this off and get that all ready to go back up, and then we'll finish the timing belt. This was all extra stuff that was found once I got under it, so yay. We're trying a new method of pulling cars in, and it seems to be working out okay. Keep going. Keep going. Don't run over the oil bottle. Good. Oh, that worked out pretty well. Nobody died. Yay. Thanks for watching. I very much appreciate it. Have a fantastic rest of your day.